Imagine taking a headache pill and reading a dose of 0.005 kilograms, or checking a road sign that says your next turn is 1,500,000 millimeters away. Technically, those numbers aren't wrong, but they're completely impractical. Welcome to Topic 1. Today we're mastering how to choose the right metric unit for any situation so our data stays clear, readable, and safe. The metric system covers five primary categories of everyday measurement. Length measure distance, use millimeter for the thickness of a SIM card, centimeters for a pen, meters for a classroom wall, and kilometers for city distances. Mass measures the amount of matter, use milligrams for medicine tablets, grams for grocery ingredients, kilograms for human weight, and metric tons for heavy freight. Volume measures capacity. Use millimeter for liquid dosage, liters for water bottles, and cubic meters for massive storage tanks. Temperature measures heat intensity, expressed in degrees Celsius. Time measures duration, moving from seconds up to the minutes, hour, and days. Whenever you need to select a unit, follow this three-step decision framework. First, identify the physical property. Are you measuring length, mass, volume, temperature, or time? Second, estimate scale. Matching the scale prevents bloated numbers. Third, evaluate safety and practical context. In medical fields, using milligrams instead of grams prevents catastrophic dosage error. The golden rule: choose the unit that gives you a reasonable number without unnecessary leading or trailing zeros. Stating that a room is 9 meters long is far easier to understand than saying it is 9,000 millimeters. Let's test it. Timing a 100-meter dash? Use seconds. Measuring fever? Use degrees Celsius, where normal body heat is around 37 degrees Celsius. Buying milk for the week? Choose liters. Choosing the correct unit matters for clarity, safety, and action. Selecting appropriate unit is all about clarity. But what happens when our number becomes astronomically large or microscopically small? Let's head to topic 2.